All right, now before we go and cut our edge banding, there's one more thing that we need to do. We probably should do it before we cut the edge banding just because it's gonna be a little bit easier for us to run it through, to get our thickness down before we run it through the table saw. Okay, so we need to bring our thickness down, all right? As you can see with the pieces here, they're sticking over too much, okay? We need to bring this down to almost flush. It can be, we maybe go about a 1/16 of an inch over, okay? But what you need to do, first thing is you have to measure what this is, okay? Don't guess. Most people guess that it's 3/4 of an inch, okay? And in most cases, it's not, okay? So when you measure it, most people are finding out it's about 11/16 of an inch, all right? So, and you go here, and I usually don't measure like this. I usually go to my nearest inch, and then I'll go out from there, take that measurement, and this happens to be 11/16 of an inch, okay? We don't want to go below 11/16, okay? We can either be exactly flush, which sometimes can be tough to do, or we can be a hair over, all right? So we're gonna take our caliper here, all right? And right now, I've got this set at 3/4 of an inch, okay? It's just above the 7, and it's at the 5, okay, on the dial. So it's 0.75, which is also 3/4 of an inch, okay? If you wanted to, you could take and adjust it to this measurement here, loosen up and put it there if you wanted to be exact, all right? So next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna run our pieces to get the exact thickness that we need to put on here because it'll make our lives a little bit easier down the road.